Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to cancel recurring or subscription payments on PayPal using your web browser. Whether you're stopping a service or managing your auto-pay settings, this method will help you do it safely and easily. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to www.paypal.com. If you're not already signed in, click Login at the top right corner and enter your PayPal email and password. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be on your main dashboard. Next, look toward the upper right corner of the screen and click on the settings icon. It looks like a little gear. This will take you to your account settings page. Now, along the top, click the tab that says Payments. This is where you can manage your automatic and pre-approved payments. Once you're on the Payments page, find and click Manage Pre-Approved Payments in the center of the window. This will open a list of all the recurring or subscription payments linked to your account. Scroll through the list and click on the payment you'd like to cancel. If you have several subscriptions, you may need to click Next Page at the bottom right corner to find the right one. After selecting the payment, look under the section that says Billing Details. Next to Status, you'll see a button labeled Cancel. Go ahead and click that. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure you want to cancel this automatic payment. Click Yes to confirm. That's it. Your recurring payment or subscription has been canceled. PayPal will no longer send money to that service automatically. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials about PayPal, online payments, and digital banking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.